Let's factorize this quadratic. So the 8, the coefficient of x squared multiplied by the c value gives you minus 24. So 8 times minus 3 is minus 24. So you need two numbers that multiply to make minus 24 and add or take away to make minus 2. So those two numbers will have to be obviously 2 apart from each other. So 6 times 4, and you need to make minus 2. So let's try minus 6 and plus 4. So minus 6 times 4 is minus 24. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. So that works. So you rewrite the middle bit, which is the minus 2x, as minus 6x plus 4x. And let's do that now. So 8x squared minus 6x plus 4x minus 3. So you can see that middle bit. It might be worth actually pausing the video, going back to the start, and just make sure you understand that first step. Once you've got it in this format, draw a line down the middle and then factorize both sides. So if you factorize 8x squared minus 6x, you can take out 2x, and then you've got 4x take away 3, and then on the other side you can factorize 4x minus 3, but that won't actually factorize. So when you get into that situation, then you have to turn the plus 4x around and put the minus 6x after it. So let's change that to the plus 4 and make that the minus 6. So plus 4x and then minus 6x. Plus 4 minus 6, you still get minus 2. So I've just changed the order around. Obviously, if you could spot that before, you can look at the 8x and the 4x, and that's going to be easier to factorize. And the other side, you've got 6 and 3, so they're both in the 3 times tables. So if you're not sure about the order, you can look at it like that before. It would just save you time. But the reason I did do it the other way around was so you know that sometimes you might need to swap them around if it doesn't factorize. So 4x and then 2x plus 1, and then factorize the right side. You can take out minus 3 and then 2x plus 1. So the interesting thing is the stuff that's in the bracket has to be the same on both sides. If it's not, then you need to go back and try to find the mistake. So the answer will be this 4x minus 3 in one bracket, and then the second bracket will just be the one that is repeated on both sides. Of course, you just write it once, and you can expand that out to check that it does give you 8x squared minus 2x minus 3. So this does work most of the time, and it's a handy method of factorizing quadratics when the coefficient of x squared is more than 1.